In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use HubSpot CRM, whether you're new to customer relationship management or simply exploring HubSpot as an option. By the end of this guide, you'll feel confident navigating its features. So let's get started by diving into the simple yet powerful world of HubSpot. First things first, you'll need to open up your web browser and head over to hubspot.com. Once you're there, you'll notice the option to log in. If you already have an account, great. Just enter your details and get logged in. If not, don't worry. Creating a new account is quick and straightforward. Simply follow the on-screen instructions to get yourself set up, and in just a few minutes, you'll have your account ready to go. Once logged in, take a few moments to familiarize yourself with the HubSpot layout. The interface is user-friendly and designed to make your navigation as seamless as possible. You'll notice menu items on the top bar, such as contacts, companies, deals, and more. Spend some time exploring these sections. Understanding the layout is your first step to mastering HubSpot's capabilities. Now, let's get hands-on and add your first contact. Click on Contacts in the top menu, and then select Create Contact. From here, you can manually enter details for a new contact. Input information like first and last names, email addresses, company affiliation, and any other relevant data you might want to store. Adding contacts helps you keep track of all the important people within your business network. Next, we're going to organize our business relationships by creating companies and deals. In HubSpot, companies are essentially the organizations you're interacting with, while deals are the business transactions you handle. Go to the Companies section to add a new company and input the necessary details. Similarly, under the Deals section, you can track ongoing negotiations and business opportunities, making it easier to manage your sales pipeline. Now let's talk about the dashboard. The dashboard is your one-stop destination to track your business's performance and activities. HubSpot allows you to customize this page according to what matters most for your operations. You can add or remove widgets to track sales figures, analyze performance metrics, and even set goals. It's a fantastic way to keep an eye on your progress and adjust strategies accordingly. Finally, remember that growth with HubSpot takes time. There's no pressure to become an expert overnight. As you gradually incorporate more features and understand their benefits, you'll start seeing significant improvements in how efficiently you manage relationships and deals. Don't hesitate to explore HubSpot Academy and its wealth of tutorials if you need further help. And there you have it, a quick guide to getting started with HubSpot CRM. With practice, you'll find it becomes an invaluable tool for managing your business relationships. Happy exploring, and remember, every expert was once a beginner. Until next time.